everyone, I'm Jessie from Jumprope. I know that it can be kind of tricky to figure out what works and what doesn't on any given platform, and that's why today I'm going to share 6 mistakes to avoid when creating on Jumprope. Avoid using stock photos. Your content is going to be much more personal and engaging if you use your own images and video. Don't use your logo as the cover image. The cover image is the first thing that people see when they're deciding to watch your Jumprope, so it should represent the project, tutorial, or recipe that you're sharing. You can instead use your logo as your profile image, and we'll talk about that later. Make sure that you don't have any black or white bars on the sides or top and bottom of your image. Your image or video should take up the entire frame available in Jumprope. Don't use videos that have extra text added on top. That can be really distracting and can unintentionally get cropped in weird ways when Jumprope formats for all your social media channels. Instead, use the text space provided while editing in Jumprope. Avoid over-editing your videos or images. We want to be able to clearly see what's going on, and that can be difficult if too many filters were used and the colors are distorted. Don't forget to add a profile image. This image can be you or your logo, and it will show up on each of your Jumpropes. If you don't upload one, there will be a blank gray silhouette on each of your Jumpropes, making it harder for people to find and recognize you. And that's it. I hope that you found these tips helpful and you're feeling inspired to go create some good Jumprope content. If you still have questions, feel free to chat us in the app or on Instagram at Let's Jumprope.